What the?
Don't choke the chicken.
Oh shit! Did you suck a lot last night? Go ahead, yeah. Okay, kiss. Oh no, right? You no. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. William, how are you, sir? Are you doing good now?
I'm doing great.
Yeah, we are busy right now, right?
Yeah, I'm a little stressed.
Oh,
it's okay.
Oh, I'm sorry, bro. Yeah. All right, let's do it, buddy. You know, it is what it is.
Yeah, that's work. That's money.
How many people? Oh, somebody already waiting on me. Yeah. Yeah. Hey, fishy, rame, sorry. How are you?
That's the man.
How are you, sir?
I'm doing good. How are
Good,
you?
very good. I'm good. What's your name?
Matthew.
I know you.
Tyler. Zach.
Are you making a TikTok? Are you?
Yeah. No, YouTube.
YouTube.
Kinsey.
We on the tube, man.
Huh?
What? Gracie.
Tracy?
Gracie.
Like a crazy?
Aaron.
Aaron. Hey, Aaron. Go.
Jennifer.
Jenny.
Josh.
Josh. Double J.
Double J.
JJ.
JJ.
Hey, yeah. Wait. Is somebody birthday today?
It was the other night.
Would you like another beer?
Apa nama, please?
Yeah.
What is that, tequila?
No, this sake.
Wait, that sake, come back over here.
Crazy. Honey, try again, please. Try again. One more time, please. Okay.
Good too.
So, hey, Aaron. Hey, Aaron. Jenny. Josh. Good job, bro. Right. So, everybody ready with big fire?
Ready.
I say, everybody ready?
Ready.
Okay, everybody watch the grill, please.
All right, watch the grill.
That's my size. Mama! Just said, I don't think so, you are Asian. That's what he said, you know. Noodle! Yay! Okay, I have a good sauce for you. Alright! It's just easy. They're so easy, yeah. Alright. Did you know what they say in it?
What?
What is it?
That white stuff.
Taste it. What is that?
Yeah, what is that?
No, with your nose, buddy. Hey, look at that. You're gonna make it. You're gonna roll it. Do you need dollar bill? Hey, I have shroom in my Jeep if you want some.
After dinner.
Okay, a little bit more cocaine. More cocaine. Pepsi. Woo!
Cocaine and Pepsi.
Yeah. Pepsi and cocaine, yeah. Apple juice. Apple juice and yes, sir. It's Coca-Cola and Sprite. Wow. Hey, wait a minute. Everybody drink. Who's drive home?
You.
Oh, I will be your DD. You want double D or just one D? One D, double D, okay. I thought you want one D. Okay, let me check your noodles, guys. It's not brown enough. Let me see your skin. Ah, this steamed rice. Let me see yours. Oh, this burnt rice. It's joke. I love you guys. I love you guys. Burnt rice. Austin, yeah, make them drunk, honey. Yeah.
I got y'all.
Yes. What the?
Don't choke the chicken.
Oh shit. Did you suck a lot last night? Oh. See? Sorry. Alright, this real egg, look at that. It's a boy, you see the white stuff? You see that, right?
It's a boy.
Yeah. See? Yeah.
No girl.
Come on, baby. 1, 2. Alright. And okay, suck you one more time, bro.
Yeah.
2 seconds.
Oh, not me.
Okay, real woman doesn't choke, okay? Jenny, real woman doesn't choke.
What's that?
Saki, bro. Yeah. That's what we call saki, bro. Hey, do anybody like yum yum sauce?
Yeah.
Yeah, just this 2 of you, just press it on, please. Why do you drink? Why do you roll smoke? Why must you live off the song that you wrote? Over and over, everybody make my prediction. So if I get stoned, sing all night long. Yes, sir. Family tradition. What is that? Yeah. Hey, how long you guys been here? It's really hot. Do you think how hot the grill here? Say number, how hot?
150.
There's 600 degrees here. 500. Look at that. 600, 500, 400, 300, 1100. Watch out, guys. It can burn your mouth, buddy.
Alright, babe. I'm done for you. Yeah.
Okay, I have something for you guys. Look at that, how sweet you guys here. Look at that. Oh, and then take yan. Oh, look at that, how sweet. Oh. Are you couple? This is your heart, sir. You gonna say something to your pretty woman? Look at that. I love you, baby. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, baby. Kiss. No, kiss her.
You gotta kiss her. You gotta
Kiss.
kiss her.
You said girlfriend, boyfriend?
There you go.
Husband and wife.
Oh, kiss.
You better take it. You better take it. There you go.
Yeah. Kiss. What? Come on, bro. Okay. Oh. All right. Kiss.
It's our anniversary tomorrow.
Oh, congratulations. Go ahead. Yeah. Okay, kiss. Oh no, right? You know. Hey, 20 is 20. Okay, noodles ready. Hold your plate up. If you get noodles, please. How many people? Let me check.
I got a side.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. All right. Okay, woman first. Honey. Hey, woman first.
Yeah,
Oh, you. Ladies first. Okay. That brother. All right. Brother. Okay. Step brother. There you go. Side noodles.
Yes. Yeah.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Who want to take the rest?
Right here.
Jenny, you want some?
Yeah, she wants some. She wants the rest. Give her some. There you go.
Sorry. Cool.
Thank you.
You're welcome, guys. Hey, how do you know that you are at a gay barbecue?
How? Oh my God.
Josh, open your mouth, brother.
How many I want?
Open your mouth.
One.
Okay, 1, 2, 3. Nice, yeah.
Hey, that's what you get. I was
Jennifer.
practicing.
Nice.
Ah,
Tried
Jennifer.
one, that don't work.
Ah,
One
Jennifer.
more, one more, one more.
You need more practice at
Yeah,
home.
I'm gonna try.
All right, hey Aaron. Hey Aaron.
Oh!
Tracy. What's your name?
Gracie.
Crazy?
Crazy.
With K or with C?
Gracie.
T? Tango? With T or K? Make clear first. What's your name?
Gracie.
I got
With K? What the letters start with?
G.
G?
like Grace.
Like oh, like a grace. Why I was thinking crazy?
Crazy.
Oh, crazy. Come on, baby.
Here we go.
Open your mouth. Close your eyes. Your husband is there. Trust me. I'm not gonna do anything. Okay, yeah, 2. Crazy. Ah! All right. Okay. Emily?
Kylie.
Haley?
Kylie.
Kylie.
Yes.
Kylie! Ah! Kylie! Oh! Okay, my man. Happy anniversary. Happy anniversary. Ah! Give me back.
I got a half of it.
Okay, okay. Ah! Give me back.
It's gone.
5-second rule.
He said it's gone.
5-second rule. Okay. Go boy. Go boy. Go boy! Yeah! Okay. Cute boy. What's your name again? Matthew? Matt. Matt! Ah! Okay, Matt. Ah!
One more time.
Matt! Matt! Ah! Matt! Oh! He is not suck.
One for the men.
Yeah. Okay, Jenny.
No.
Please. Jenny, I'm promise. Listen.
Jenny, one more.
Listen.
One more.
Linda, listen, Linda.
You can do it.
Okay. I have 17 years experience. Don't move, just open your mouth.
Don't move. Just open your mouth.
Come on, Jenny.
Don't move. Come on, Jenny.
Listen, dude, I don't know if I should be proud that all the guys caught something in the mouth and the girls didn't.
Yeah, you know what? I'm trying to reach you on that.
We don't have to talk about us to a better
Yeah. You guys talk about this afterwards.
Yeah. What that mouth?
Kylie.
Need practice.
Kylie,
Catches eggs flying in the air.
tell him how many followers my TikTok. How many followers?
500K.
500,000.
What?
500K.
Man, he was gonna brag. You just overshot.
RickyBobbyChef, check it out.
What is RickyBobbyChef?
Ricky
Yeah.
Bobby Chef.
Gotcha.
Chef, not shit. Not RickyBobbyChef. On TikTok.
1.4 million.
Whoa.
Hey, right here.
I just followed you.
Thank you guys. Thank you guys. 1.4.
1.4 million people are listening.
Ricky Bobby Chef.
1.4 million?
Yeah.
Damn.
1.4 million already?
Woo!
Yeah, you just started.
Thank you, sir. Instagram.
Instagram.
Or YouTube. Your face will be on YouTube, guys.
The same name?
Yes, RickyBobbyChef. All of them. So you can watch YouTube RickyBobbyChef. Yeah, like 200,000 something follower. Yeah. 263.
Hey, shout him out.
What's
I'm a musician, man.
what's your channel?
I don't have a channel. I got a song on Apple Music. It's called Dogwood Tree by Tyler Carter.
Oh, text me. I cannot spell it there.
I got you.
So are you on Spotify?
I'm on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music.
So he's famous person then.
No. I made $3.62 in a month. That's all I got. Hey, that's 362 plays on Apple, bro.
Bro,
Hey.
no matter how much you make it, but everybody love you. Like, I don't care with money, but people know Ricky Bobby. Yeah.
I got.
When I went to Walmart 3 days ago, all the kids just yelling at me, Ricky, Ricky, Ricky. Yeah, and then just last night, there is 2 men call me, hey Ricky, and then, oh fuck you, I said like that, and then you know what he called me, hey fucker, like, and then I just come to them. No, they're my buddy, but I just like, oh damn, bro. Yeah, they call me fucker. And then I come to them, I said, what's wrong? How are you? I say like that. Yeah. Okay, now who want rice, please? Rice ready, guys, please.
Ricky, Bobby.
Ricky Bobby.
Ricky loves boobies.
Yeah. That's sick and big, baby. Did you watch the Talladega Night? The movie? Movie Talladega Night. Ricky Bobby.
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's you.
That's me. Yeah, sick and big, bro. Did you watch Joe Dirt?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Did-
Hell, you're him.
Yeah.
Man, haircut.
Wow. So are you musician?
Yes, sir.
Did you create your song yourself or you?
Yeah.
Really, bro?
Yeah, I've got about 4 or 5 other songs. I'm just starting recording
Really? Where do you live?
down Bolt, West Virginia. Man, I'm like 20 minutes away. With Daniel.
I need to get your number because I do podcast sometime on my YouTube channel. So and everybody there is like they're gonna like you so much, man. I mean I'm straight, but I agree that you're sexy, man.
Thank you.
No, he's good looking, yeah.
I get that a lot.
Just make it clear.
He's not straight.
I'm straight. So. Look at it. Yeah, I'm straight. I mean sometime, but mostly straight.
Hey, 20 bucks, bro.
Yeah, remember I'm future, okay? I need some catcher, okay? Okay, rice please. Josh,
Yes. Rice.
Jenny, hey Aaron, Kaylee,
Yes, thank you.
you're welcome. I forget your name, sir. Huh?
Zach.
Zach, like Zachary?
Yep. I'll bet you what.
And musician, what's your name?
Tyler.
Tyler. What's your last name?
Carden. C-A-R-D-E-N. Like a weird name.
Tyler Carden, yeah. Is that your artist name also? Same name?
I'll take that right there.
Yes, sir. Tyler Carden. Wow. So did you just play by yourself or you have like a group band or something like that?
I was playing with the Danley band for
Okay.
a little while there,
Okay.
but I just bought a house, got a new job, and I was really busy, and I wanted to work on my own
You
stuff.
had the garage too.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah, I had a little group that I played with in high school. We played some pretty crazy stuff. Big jam band stuff.
So text me just in case. I mean, I have time, you have time, so we can figure out something. You can visit my house anytime. I never lock my door. I live behind KFC in the downtown.
Okay.
Yeah, 304.
Oh, where? I got you.
Yeah. I don't give my number to anyone, but I give it to you. You so special. So 304-953.
953.
Ricky Bobby, yeah. Josh, vegetables, sir.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Bye.
And Matthew, Taylor, you want some veggies, sir?
Yes, sir. Thank you, man.
You're welcome. Matthew. He's so quiet.
He is quiet.
After a few
Did you see it? Sorry.
Hey, he might get up here dancing after a couple more. So
Oh, okay. Okay, yeah.
He's been kicked out.
Give me a
of
little bit
places.
more.
Man.
Taylor, Zach, stop eating. Hey, Aaron. Josh, you're next. Open your mouth, sir. Open your mouth. Stop eating.
Right now?
Yeah. Hurry up. Open your mouth. That's what gonna move. Yeah. Jenny. Gracie. Gracie.
Yeah,
Okay.
I'll take the bottle.
Oh, you're gonna have good night, sir. So Zach and Kelly, are you married too?
Yes.
Hey, his birthday was Monday.
Yes, it was.
Okay, we gonna celebrate today. All right, and we're gonna sing birthday song. Let me get some.
We're high school sweethearts.
Oh,
It is so sweet. I didn't marry my high school sweetheart. He was crazy. I let them do it. I just live remotely through them.
Josh, how do you like your steak cooked, sir?
Medium well.
Jennifer?
Medium well.
Okay. Aaron, filet mignon.
Medium.
And Kelly, filet mignon.
Medium.
Zach, filet mignon.
Medium rare.
Medium rare? Give me a plate, sir. Taylor.
Rare.
Rare, yeah, bro. Matt.
Cook a steak. Medium rare.
Medium rare. I can eat like raw. I don't put on the grill. I just cut it and I eat it. Some people they say gross or whatever. Motherfucker, people don't lick the bubble. So why you worry about my steak on something? This is clean and hygiene, you know. So I don't know you do it or not. My ex-woman did it. When she's drunk, oh, she's crazy. What do you think? This room is male or female? Josh, male or female?
Male.
Male? Female? Okay, let me check. Everybody watch it. It's like pussy. No, maybe other side. Maybe other side. Look at that. Oh, this male, see? It's okay. When I cuss or I say something inappropriate, I will trim it. Okay. Don't worry. I will. This is like. It's like. You know. So, yeah. Don't worry, guys. Kaylee, stand up, please. Stand up. Okay, so when everybody's saying, will you like move your butt a little bit? Okay. Everybody's saying birthday song for Kaylee. For Kaylee? Kali. Birthday song.
Birthday song.
Yeah. Happy birthday to you. Yo, move your butt, yeah. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing. Happy birthday, dear Kylie. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday and many more.
24.
Many more. Okay, who gets shrimp, please? Who gets shrimp? Remember, all the shrimp is meal. Just eat it. Don't lick it, okay? Give me 1 more minute for the shrimp, please.
How long you been doing this?
17 years.
Oh, right.
Yeah, 12 years in West Virginia. 5 years I just move around.
You like it here?
Oh, West Virginia is the best one, okay?
Yeah?
When I cook in a big city, my customer, they just ignore me. They talk to themselves, you know?
Yeah.
And I say, I don't tell nothing, but I say to myself, fuck you guys, and then I just... No, I cook 10 people, maybe 20 minutes, 18 minutes, I'm done.
Yeah.
In here, I cook 8 people. Damn, it's 42 minutes already. No kidding. Because
Go past the hair.
see, that's why I like West Virginia. Yeah.
People appreciate it.
Yeah, and then other than that, it's very easy to get with. Mad with what? Everything actually. Josh, where are you come from? Josh, Beckley here? How about Jenny?
Jenny from here.
You from here? So are you together or you just visiting her?
Together.
So you live here now?
Yeah.
Okay.
Man, New York to West Virginia, how you like it?
Yeah, like
How'd y'all make
damn.
Don't ask me that question.
Hey man, hey man, it's cheap.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a big upgrade. How'd y'all make? We met
Standard.
Tinder. Pornhub.
Yeah, I'm done. I need another one.
I love you guys. How are you, stepsister? Oh, not how are you? They say, good morning, stepsister.
They call that Tinder, they call that dinner table.
Dang. Taylor, we need to hang out sometime, bro. Make video.
We will.
And then you can tell me your story. Like when you still in high school or whatever, and then you start like the music, something like that. Yeah.
We'll make it real cinematic, man.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, I'm sorry guys, everything ready, so I need to leave, and I still want with you guys. Dogmas and yeah, but everything almost ready. Matt! No, it's for the baby. Oh, for real, that is 4 years old. He was quiet, like, I want something and I don't have it. So that's why I buy the baby bottle, just in case there is little boy underage or whatever they want. Yeah.
There he is.
Sir? Jenny? Where I put it? Where I put it?
Wherever.
I like on the top. Josh, do you like on the top too?
I like it on the top.
Yes. On the top the rice, guys. Alright. Shrimp. Chirolu. Tyler!
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome, Chirolu. Jack! Romit. All the women like Romit.
Long meat or raw meat?
More juice? All the men like juicy?
Oh, yeah. Men like juicy.
Me too.
I love it juicy.
Oh shit, sorry. Chicken wing. I don't like that so kinda. Please don't.
Where's the bologna?
Hot dog and bologna. It's stuck in my fucking head, bro. Chicken macaroni. Mr. Josh.
Alright.
Jennifer. Aaron.
Thank you.
And Gracie. And Kylie.
Yes. Thank you.
Baby Matt. Extra for Aaron. Hi, everybody say goodbye, guys. Just say bye to my people. Teddy, Aaron, Gracie, Kylie, happy birthday, honey.
Thank you.
Mr. Jack. Taylor, we hang out sometime, okay? Alright, baby Matt. Alright, guys, see you next video. Thank you, guys.